Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the tune-up series by Majorette, and this is series 2-1. Like I already promised, we are going to unbox rare, super rare and ultra rare. So I think this one is from okay, this is BK23. So I think this one is from rare. Let's see, let's open and see what is this one. I forgot all the numbers. See, you can get this codes pretty much online for series 2, and one catch is for this ultra rare they mentioned actually BK26, but BK26 is not the exact number for the after the releases, recent releases. It was entirely different number that I will show you guys when I unbox that one. Okay, so the one thing I really don't like about the series 2 is this one. So this opening, this really pisses me off. Okay. Oh my god, it fell down. Okay, let me just put this aside for a minute. I don't want to spoil it for you guys right away. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute and see what are the accessories we have here. Okay. Okay, so here we have the body kit, and on this side, okay, we have rubber tires. Okay, and the stickering. So let me just throw this out and show you guys. So here it is. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to put the stickers there, but I'm just showing you. Okay, let's get to the car. Anyway, it's already fell down. Okay, this one is the Renault Megne. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So the initial impressions of this car are this is really well made casting. It is actually very light. It is very light, it's not heavy. But as you can see here, they put some kind of acrylic for the headlights, which looks really beautiful. And the vinyls here, it looks really amazing. I don't see any irregularities in the paint job, and it has some openable part as well. So I thought this moving tune-up series, especially the Renault one, doesn't have that. Yeah, you can open it here. It has this yellow interior, which is really nice. The contrast is really nice. Black body with yellow interior and yellow vinyls. So the body is actually made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic, and like 99% of the Majorettes have suspension. So let's see. Yeah, it does have suspension. So let's put the rest of the things aside. Okay, let me show you the chip. Yeah, so this is a rare one, Renault Megne RS Gravel Attack. Okay, so I was missing out this few of this rare ones and all these things, so right now I got all this. Okay, let me just put this here. Okay, so let's put on this body kit and rest of the things now. I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, yeah, I got it. So one downside being, I think so. Wait, let me just see this here. Okay, there is usually this. Yeah, let's see here whether we did it right. I think we did it right. Okay, let's put this aside and let's put on those wheels. Yeah, okay, let's put on those wheels now. Sorry, the tires. I really like Majorette actually, this tune-up series specifically for the budget range, instead of going for like 1000 or 1500 rupees, they did this within this 700 rupees range. And in First Cry or in other websites you can actually get it for very less price, like more than 40% off. Okay, like I told, the only downside of being putting this body kit is you can't able to open this hatch here. Okay, so this body kit looks really beautiful. Let me just show it to you guys. Even this one has the grill details here. This looks really nice. I think I put the tire really well. Okay, let me just tell you something else. This is not going to roll actually. So because it has rubber tires and it is not going to roll really well on this kind of flat surfaces. But anyway, let's give it a try and see. Okay. It does roll. It does roll. It is not totally not rolling or anything. It does roll. I'm still a bit skeptical on this front end part, whether I did some mistake here. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, so it actually fits like this here. I think I chipped the paint a little bit, but it's fine. It is nothing serious. Wow, this looks really nice. The body kit looks really nice on this one. The logo placement is really beautiful on all the Majorette ones. It has some good exhaust detailing to it. So if you are wondering, this body kit is actually made of plastic. This is not metal. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.